Hello to all our ascenders there. Happy Mansari sa inyong lahat, and we're very proud to really have this kind of milestone. Napakarami pong good news kasi dahil sa sipag nyo, dahil sa dedication nyo, and of course because of your motivation and inspiration. We are now 6,500 and counting since day one ng Ascendra, and nakakatuwa because out of all these 6,500 distributors and partners all over the Philippines, we are able to pay out at least 20 million pesos na po since tayo'y nagsimulang magkaroon ng payout few weeks ago. And there are so many things to look forward to, particularly of course, today, August 1, alam nyo po, ngayon natin ni-launch yung ating tinatawag na lifestyle reward. Meron na tayong reward for shopping, gadget, travel, car, luxury car, and of course, yung property. Aside from that, of course, we were able to launch also our Ascend training. Actually, today, ito na po yung pangatlong linggo na nag-train tayo ng ating module na Ascend training. And of course, I'm very happy to announce as well that meron na po tayong official company branch dyan sa Bicol, particularly sa Legazpi at saka sa Naga. And we are also preparing, ladies and gentlemen, to have another big day this coming September. Watch out sa ating magiging venue para po itong yung ginawa natin during our Decagon event. Uulitin po natin yan this September. And of course, there are so many things in store for you, ladies and gentlemen. We have so many surprises. Meron tayong ila-launch come October in preparation as well to our grand launching in January. Kaya naman sa mga ascenders natin all over the Philippines and all over the world, katulad ng lagi naming sinasabi, ang Ascendra, kapartner nyo sa pag-asenso. Turbo!